the next step would be to go to your Meta Business Suite in order for us to add the credit card. Okay, so I'll choose the account that we just added. I'll click on it. And then one of the options that we have is WhatsApp Manager and Payment Settings. In our case, because I want to add the payment settings, I'll click on it, and the Meta is going to take me to the other page to add my credit card. Now I'm inside the payment settings of this specific account. So the first thing I want to do is click on Edit and add the business information. So I'll add the currency because only 6 official currencies are being used by Meta. You don't have to choose any other one, but these 6. We usually go with US dollars. We add the business name. We add the street address according to the trade license, the town and city, country, region, postcode. If you're in the UAE, you just choose 4 zeros. You add your TRN. You keep this option at yes, and then you click on submit. This helps Meta identify your payment card authenticity, and these information will also be added to your receipt once you pay for Meta. Next thing I'm going to do is go to payment methods. The first thing I'm going to do is add a business payment method before I add it to WhatsApp. So I'll click on add and then choose the relevant currency. In my case, it's UAE dirham. And then I'll click on next. I'll add the card details with the CVV and click on save. If you forgot to add the business details on the previous step, Meta sometimes asks you to fill out the form of the business information so that they can add it to your receipt. Next step is to add the payment method on a WhatsApp account level. So please make sure that you click on WhatsApp business account and then choose the relevant WhatsApp account and click on payment method. It is still US dollars, that's why we switch back to it. I'll then click on next. All right. Now, because I added it on a business level, I should be able to see 2 payment options. First one is to use a debit or credit card. The second option is to use the business method. So in your case, because you've already added it at the top, you'll want to click on the first option above the debit or credit card that says business payment. And then you click on next. Meta asks you to confirm and you're good to go here. Please make sure that when the payment method appears here, you click on these 3 dots and choose the payment as default. So the payment method will look very much like this, but you'll need to click on the 3 dots, make the payment method as default. And then you can start watching the other lessons on how to test that the credit card is working, and you can start sending your campaigns. Thank you so much for watching.